Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm the Magic Carbon, and today I'm gonna be teaching you 2 easy magic tricks that you can do right now to impress all your friends and family. Are you ready? Are you ready, Magic fam? I want to hear it. Alright. So for the first trick, I want to teach you how you can magically rip up any paper, right? And magically restore it. Just like that. Okay, so you want to do is, okay, let me get 2 pieces of paper. Let's do pink. Because the background color is pink today. How cool is that? So what you want to do is have 2 pieces of paper. It can be any paper. Doesn't matter. Right now I'm using these note cards. It can be sticky notes. It can be just any kind of paper. What you want to do is fold one. Just fold it. And make it, just keep folding it until it's like really small. Like small enough to hide in your palm, just like this. So you have this one all folded, and then you have your other piece of paper. So what do? So you have this piece of paper in your palm right here. You palm it right here and just hold it in between your fingers in your palm, just like that. And then from this angle you can't really see it, but right here there's the piece of paper that's folded, and then you're just holding it like, and then you're just holding the other paper with the same hand. So it looks like you're just holding this one card, really you're holding the folded card and then this one. Now what you want to do is, really rip it up. Really just rip that paper. Just rip it like you mean it. Just rip up this paper, and while you rip it up, you want to make sure you keep this hand closed, because if you actually open up too much, you'll be able to see the paper. So make sure while you're ripping it, you just keep both hands closed, just like this, and rip it up, and put the ripped up paper in your hand, just like this. You want to put the ripped up paper in your hand with the paper that's folded, and then you go, I can magically make it restore itself. Watch. And you just grab the folded paper and keep the ripped up paper in your hand, and all you're doing is switching out the paper. You're switching it out. Now you have the folded piece of paper right here, and you open it, and you're like, oh, it magically restored itself just like that. What? How cool is that? Super cool magic, super easy. And let's get ready for the next trick. Boom! So for this trick, you're gonna need a paper bag. You're gonna need a paper bag and a Rubik's Cube. You can use Rubik's Cube, you can use a water bottle, you can use anything that you use anything that you want that you have around the house. For right now, I'm using Rubik's Cube. You can use a water bottle. But so what you want to do is put the Rubik's Cube in here, snap, it magically vanishes. Snap the fingers, now it comes back, and then drop it into the bag. And then you make it disappear. Oh wait. So how to do this is you need any bag, any Rubik's Cube, like I said in the beginning. You need any bag, any Rubik's Cube, and then you put it in the bag and you hold it. You just hold the Rubik's Cube, you just hold it, and you snap your fingers, and then you just go in and grab it. But then for the last part, to make it vanish, what you do is, instead of actually putting it in the bag, you want to drop it behind the bag and hold it with your hand. So when you drop it, you catch it with your hand, just like that. Drop it, catch, just like this. And because it fell behind your hand where it normally would, it looks like it's really in the bag. And then when they're like, it's still in the bag, right? You smash it around the Rubik's Cube and then throw it behind you and go, boom, magic. Just like that. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.